Play.
The video. Alright, 3, 2.
It's already playing.
What? Okay. Scene, cut. Okay.
Jump on!
I'm gonna do.
Play.
Go.
Yeah.
You didn't give me a thumbs up. Whatever.
The Bat-Trick Mania!
Cut. Cut. Restart. No, don't delete it though. Oh, what's up, guys? We're gonna be showing you the basics of hitting mechanics with me. I'm gonna teach Nick how to do this.
Okay.
Come up. First one is get your stance. Most stances are as comfortable as you can get. For example, Caleb is literally lying down already. Anyway, this is my stance. I keep my feet close together. So you just get a stance.
And then he peeks.
And then keep your hands up and close to your head. This is very important.
And
So
then
you
when
try
he hits
straight
the
to
ball, he
and
poops.
this is what happens when you put your hands out.
And the ball makes a fart.
Your hands don't stay.
Aiden, go away.
Give me the bat. Keep the hands up and go. Give me the bat. All right.
Give me the
So
bat.
no, trust me. Give me the bat. The next thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna load. This is where you transfer most of your weight, probably about 80-20 or 70-30, to your back foot. You lift your front foot up and take a small step. Then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to drive your hips so hard that your hands fall with it. Like this. And then keep your hands in tight. Watch the ball hit the bat. This is called the swing. But as you're hitting it, you're almost going to want to push out real fast. Use that little extra bit of power. Then you're going to want to finish and follow through. Got that?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let's see it. Slow motion. Alright, keep your hands in tighter and don't do a golf swing. There you go.
Okay.
Right, now do that faster.
You look like a chubby idiot on the camera.
Shut up. Caleb, that is extremely rude. You're fired.
No! Come on, go. Oh my gosh, shut up.
We got you on camera. We got you on camera.
Idiot.
We got you on camera.